For over 30 years, Canary Wharf has shifted London's centre of gravity east and upwards as technologies develop and ambition soars. Wood Wharf is a milestone in circular construction. This vibrant new district is a dynamic 500,000 square metre mixed-use development. It is built using Holcim's custom low-carbon concrete mixes that reduce CO2 by at least 30%.
And Holcim EcoPack range helped us focus on what low-carbon solution and circularity options are available to us. As we progressed and our understanding and our relationships with our supply chain partners grew, we were able to work closely to develop alternative concrete mixes.
Aggregates were taken from nearby North Quay, then recycled at Holcim's urban mine for reuse in Wood Wharf. Reusing these valuable resources reduced material use by 20%.
We could only have achieved this through the open and collaborative relationships with Holcim, who have helped us pioneer this new approach.
By helping build new from old, Holcim is supporting London's ambition to be a global leader in circularity. The company is scaling its EcoCycle circular technology platform in London and cities across the world. Canary Wharf Group will be the first in the UK to use a unique technology developed by Neustark and Holcim. This removes CO2 from the atmosphere and injects it into concrete, storing it permanently.
When I work through the estate, knowing the history behind it, the people involved in it, I feel it's a great legacy for me to share with my children, to show them that they can do just as incredible things with their future and their life.
Wood Wharf is built to last, with Holcim's low-carbon circular solutions inside.